My name is Pitt, and I'm the co-founder of Pixel+Fox, a brand strategy and design agency based here in Berlin. Back in 2017, after a long career first as a speechwriter and then as an assistant in the UK Parliament, followed by being a strategy consultant after I moved to Berlin, I decided to quit my job and take a break. At this point, Charlene and I had two goals in our lives. Charlene's my girlfriend. The first one was to go backpacking. The second goal was to set up our own agency. We were thinking, what new and valuable thing can we bring to the branding industry? Every industry is led by data. So with data comes programming. And I think we came to the conclusion that whatever we bring to the industry has to have something to do with coding. So what I was looking for was to use the experience I already have and combine it with a new skill. I didn't want to give anything up and start from scratch, but I wanted to bring something new to the table. After a conversation then with Wagon, I decided this was the right thing for me. And so I signed up, and one day after landing back in Berlin, I started the bootcamp. Fast forward to today, Charlene and I are running our own agency. We help essentially non-governmental organizations and purpose-led companies change the world for good by building powerful brands and campaigns that connect with their communities. In our 5-step branding process, especially when we hit the design phase, the clients often ask us for some product or website. What we can do now after Wagon is actually offer the service ourselves. So the projects that we worked on were a lot more exciting. We were also able to choose our clients. Coding has become integral to our plans for the future, and we're so excited to see what it will offer us down the line.